New listing on 5 acres in Blaine, Washington. This nearly new 3-bedroom, 2-bath manufactured home features an open floor plan with vaulted ceilings and a spacious kitchen island perfect for entertaining. The primary suite boasts an ensuite bathroom for added luxury. Ideal for hobby farm enthusiasts, the property includes an extra-large pump house shed to store your tools and equipment. There's also the potential to build a shop, buyer to verify. Conveniently located just minutes from the US/Canadian border and 30 minutes from Bellingham, Washington, this property offers both privacy and accessibility. A fantastic opportunity for those seeking more space with a nearly new home.